Hi, you're watching Primetech Solutions. If you don't know shortcut keys, then we cannot maximize our laptop or our computer. I'll be teaching you how to use them. What are the shortcut keys or the hotkeys? So, ano ba tong shortcut key nito? These are combination of keys na pipindutin natin sa ating keyboard to do a certain command without using our mouse. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Kung paano gamitin yung mga shortcut, mga hotkeys, so that your right and your left hand are working together. If both hands are working, then mas mabilis yung pagtrabaho mo sa using your computer. Bisan natin sa shortcuts sa ating taskbar. So, ito yung mga shortcuts natin dito sa ating taskbar. So, without using our mouse, paano ba natin i-open yung mga shortcuts na ito? Starting from the left side, at after ng task view natin, this will be 1 and it represents number 1 sa iyong keyboard. And following number 2 will be the number 2 sa iyong keyboard. If we are going to open this one without using our mouse, what we're going to do is press and hold the window key. This is the window key on your keyboard. Press and hold, don't release, and then press number 1. As you can see, nag-open yung File Explorer natin. What if we want to open also our browser, the Google? So press and hold window key and number 2 to open that. So here we go. That is how to maximize the shortcuts here. To any one of you who uses often the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, it is best na ilagay natin dito sa taskbar natin so that madali natin siyang i-open. So, paano ba natin gawin yon? First, alisin natin yung mga shortcuts na hindi natin ginagamit like this one, this two. So, how to do that? Just right-click on it and select Unpin Taskbar. Also, this one, unpin natin siya. And let's go over to the search bar natin dito and select natin yung Word. So, Word. Okay. Right-click and then pin to taskbar. I-pin natin siya and then search natin yung Excel. Right click natin to and then pin to taskbar. There, as you can see, kung i-right click natin, naka-pin na siya. Okay, nakatusok. Next natin is yung PowerPoint. Right click, pin to taskbar. So, dito siya. So, kung gusto natin i-open yung ito without using our keyboard, select, alamin lang natin kung pang ilan siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa ating keyboard, press natin yung window key and press 6. Ayan. So, nag-open na siya. So, punta naman tayo sa paano tayo mag-switch sa other window. Like, window, pag sinabi nating window, ito. Itong naka-open na to. This is one window. This one. Another window would be this one. Okay, we call this the File Explorer. We can see it here sa top niya. The name of this. This is the browser. Okay, these are windows. Okay, pag sinabi nating window. Okay, so ito yung browser window natin. Ito naman yung File Explorer window natin. And ito rin. Kung gusto nating i-maximize without clicking this one, click and drag nyo lang sa taas. Magma-maximize na siya. So that's another. Yan. So, paano naman tayo magsi-switch without going dito, without clicking them here sa ating taskbar? Okay, hindi natin i-click-click dito, mga ganyan. Okay? So, kung meron tayong file, na kung maraming mga document yung naka-open na Word, magpa-file up siya dyan. So, by pressing and hold yung Alt natin, this is the Alt. This one. Press and hold and press yung Tab once. Without releasing the Alt, magre-remain siyang ganyan. So, itong naka-highlight na to, yan yung naka-select. Press mo yung tab again, pupunta siya sa next. Kung ano yung naka-select dito, pag bitawan mo yung Alt, yun yung mag-open. Okay, as you can see here. Pwede rin naman na press mo yung Alt, press mo yung tab, lalabas tong window na to. And using your mouse, you can click kung anong window ang gusto mong i-open. Ayan. Tsaka mo i-release yung Alt. Okay, that is switching to other windows. Let's say, for example, itong File Explorer mo na to is wala siya dito sa shortcut na ito. Okay, paano mo yan i-open? Okay, without going here and going there, without using the mouse. Press and hold window key, and then press letter E. Mag-open na siya. So may gustong i-open dito sa this PC, tignan mo kung ano yung mga nandito. Okay, so yun yung shortcut in bringing out the File Explorer using your keyboard. Next one is, okay, yung shortcut ng pag-copy. Okay, this is very common. Paano yung pag-shortcut ng copy natin? Ang shortcut ng copy is Control C. So let's search Baguio City and search an information about Baguio City. At gusto nating i-copy, for example, this one. Highlight lang natin na ganyan. Press Control C and we'll go over to Word. Control V to paste yung mga kinapi natin. Okay. Enter, Control V again. Okay. So that is copy. Pwede rin yung gawin yan dito sa ating documents. For example, sa mga documents natin, gusto nating i-copy itong schedule, plaka, my world hotkeys. Lagay natin siya desktop. So Control C. Ayan. And then, punta tayo sa desktop. Press Control D. Window key. And then, press D. Ayan. So, Control V natin to paste. So, ito yung mga kinapi natin. So, that is Control C, shortcut of copy. Control V, that is the shortcut of paste. And what if aalisin naman natin yung mga to? Okay, we're going to remove this. This ones. At ilagay natin siya sa, ibalik natin siya dun sa documents. Okay. Gamitin natin yung cut. Shortcut key is Control X. And then punta tayo dito sa window, sa documents, and then Control V natin. Since they are already existing, pwede natin siyang i-replace. Or pwede namang hindi, skip. Okay? So that's it. So that's the shortcut for copy, paste, cut, there. What if select naman natin to lahat? Okay. There's a shortcut in selecting all this one. That is Control A to select lahat. Gusto natin i-move sa ibang folder, Control C, lagay natin dito, Control V. What if pipiliin naman natin yung certain files lang? I-highlight lang natin. Kasi pag i-highlight natin yan, paano mo i-choose to? Okay, press and hold Control. And then, using your mouse, select nyo po yung gusto nyong i-copy. Ayan. Maha-highlight sila. Pwede mong i-copy. Okay, Control C, Control V. That is to select files na magkakalayo sila. Kung gusto mo namang i-select dito hanggang dito, select lang natin kung saan tayo mag-uumpisa. For example, number 2. Then scroll down natin dito sa baba. For example, hanggang sa 50. Press and hold the Shift key. Shift and then click nyo yung 50. Ayun. So, andyan, na-highlight na siya. Okay. Yan yung shortcut. Pwede mo rin gawin yun dito sa documents. For example, you're going to copy this one until here only. Press and hold Shift. Ayan, highlight siya. Okay? So, hindi mo siya dinadrag na ganon. Oh. So, mas madali yung ganyan mo lang and then Shift and click. At saka may release yung Shift. Okay? So, na-highlight na siya. How can we create new folder without using the mouse? Because if you're going to use the mouse, you right-click sa blank space, selecting New, and then Folder. Okay? And, ayan. So, how to do that without using the mouse? Press Control, Shift, and then N. Ayan. Name. Kung sanay mo yan, ganun mo lang siya. So, mabilis. So, sanayan lang po. Okay? Ayan. So that is creating new folder. Okay? What if gusto naman natin siyang i-rename? Without using the mouse, select nyo lang po yung, kung nakaselect na yung folder. Okay, press nyo lang po yung F2. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-rename. Thank you for watching this simple tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have a tutorial request, just comment below and we'll do our best to do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.